Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Cryptoverse. My name is Chris Coney, the host of the Cryptoverse. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about this: how to store Cardano/ADA on your Ledger hardware wallet. Yes, this is now officially possible. No more shortcuts, no more bypasses, no more workarounds. Officially, the Cardano app is available for Ledger. So I had to do this myself to get my ADA off my phone, so I figured I'll just describe the process to you, see if it's of any value. I'm sure it will be to someone. So the first step was to get the Cardano app installed on my actual Ledger Nano S device. So I did this, and you're going to do this by opening up the Ledger Live app on your computer, and then you're going to go to the manager, which is where you install the apps and uninstall the apps from the device. I ended up having to remove everything from my Ledger device except for Bitcoin in order to fit the Cardano app on there. So that little photo is me with my actual Ledger Nano S in my hand, and you'll see there's Bitcoin app installed, there's the Cardano app installed, and then next to that is the settings, which is covered by the arrow. Now the arrow is important. I've said here, once you've got the Cardano app installed using the Ledger Manager, make sure you open it. So once you've got it selected, like I have here, you press both buttons on the device to make sure you're actually inside the ADA app. Otherwise, the next step won't work. All right. So I took the photo and I thought, well, I best make sure I mention that in the slides. And then step 2 is to visit the website, ledger.com. So that's the manufacturer of the Ledger hardware wallet. And then you want to go to click on crypto assets, and it shows like the 1,000 odd assets that are supported by the Ledger hardware wallet. But in the search box, if you type in ADA, which is the ticker symbol for Cardano, it will narrow it down to 1. And then in the it tells you like what software to use, and so on. So it says here other compatible wallets in the right hand column. Click on ADA Lite. This is a web wallet that makes it super easy. So you don't have to install anything else. You can just click this ADA Lite link, and then it will take you to the ADA Lite website, which is also an online software tool and a wallet. So this is brilliant. So when I went there, I was presented with this screen. So all you do is it's like, how do you want to access the ADA Lite interface? Well, I clicked on the middle one, hardware wallet. It says supporting Trezor T, but also, as you'll see on the right, after you click on hardware wallet, it also says, well, what hardware wallet do you have? Do you have a Trezor Model T, or do you have a Ledger Nano? In my case, I had a Ledger Nano. So I clicked on the pink button there that says unlock with Ledger. So that's cool. Now, when you do that, like I've said at the bottom here, your Ledger device on the actual screen on the device, it'll probably ask you if it's okay to export your Cardano public key. And as long as it says public key, it's okay. You can let it do that. And on mine, I had to confirm to export the public key by pressing both buttons again to confirm that action on the device. So if it asks you that, make sure you say it's okay. Otherwise, the ADA Lite wallet it's going to sit there waiting for it to respond. All right, so that's step 3 pretty much done. That should get us into the step 4, which is in the ADA Lite interface, right? Now you see in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, there'll be a section called My Addresses. So these are basically your receiving addresses. And I've covered mine up so you don't know where my ADA is going. But there's a whole bunch of them, right? You can use this on mine. I've got 5 or 6 by default. So what did I do then? I copied one of them, and then I used my phone wallet, which is where my ADA was. Actually, I've got that on the next slide here. I previously had my Cardano in a mobile wallet called Infinito. It was the Infinito wallet. It's a good one. This is a mobile wallet that supports tons of different cryptos. I only ever used it personally for Cardano. And that's why I installed it, because I was like, what do I want my Cardano off of Binance. What do I do with it? And then I went searching around, found that it supported Cardano, and I thought, well, if it's a multi-currency wallet, I may as well use it. So that's where my Cardano has been since I bought it on Binance, God knows how long ago. And you can see here, clearly I'm an ADA whale, Cardano whale. I can crash the market in one trade. I have a total of 4,000 odd Cardano, which is worth about $300. So no big spender there. But that's the Infinito wallet on the right. That's my screenshot from my phone showing the little bit of Cardano that I do actually have. Hey, these might be $300 worth, but I'm still going to protect it with my hardware wallet, right? So this is where I pasted the address from my Ada Lite. I pasted it into the send box, just like you do. Set a transaction fee, and off we jolly well went. Now, what I normally do, which I think I've got it on the next slide here, is send a test transaction when I have a new wallet, right? So I only sent $25 worth of my balance first, just to make sure I hadn't mistyped the address, or I copied and pasted it, but just want to make sure it got there and that the Ada Lite wallet was working and all the rest of it. So as you can see right there, I did send $24 of Cardano. It arrived at Ada Lite, which is actually powered by and driven by my Ledger Nano S. So it's not stored in the Ada Lite, that's just the front end that I'm using. And there it was, it arrived. So now all we do is use Ada Lite whenever we want to receive to one of the addresses in the My Address section, or use the Send Ada box on the right there if you want to send it out from your Ledger Nano S to somewhere else or someone else, like an exchange or a person or a smart contract or whatever. So that's it, simple as. And that really is the entire process. It's super simple. So that's all I've got for you today. If you like this video, hit the like button, will you? Subscribe and share it if you've got other Cardano friends that would like this information. Also, if you check the description for this episode, you can see all the other stuff that I have to offer, including memberships. You can support me on Patreon. You can get bonuses if you support me on Patreon. You can get cryptocurrency rewards if you support me on Patreon. So you get some of your support money back in crypto accumulation. How does it get any better than that? I mean, that's a superb offer. You should take it. All right, that's all I've got for you today. I'll be back with the next episode of the Cryptoverse. So until then, it's me, Chris Coney, saying bye for now.